Hello, good morning or probably good evening if you're working on this here. This is, I believe, like how we might want to work like one of the problems on the homework for this section. They give us the cotangent. Well, remember, cotangent is adjacent over opposite. So if this is my angle theta, 5 is the adjacent side and 1 is the opposite. So I'm going to use it. It's just like the problems we've been doing where only this time instead of giving us a triangle, they don't. So what I did was I drew a triangle. And I have labeled my side 5 here. That's adjacent, that's opposite, and there's my hypotenuse. So, first thing I need to do is use the Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse. Well, remember, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 5 squared plus 1 squared is c squared. That's 25 plus 1. Or basically, the square root of 26 is the hypotenuse. So I'm going to replace the hypotenuse with the square root of 26. And now let's find all our trig functions. Remember sine? Sine starts out with opposite over hypotenuse, which makes it 1 over square root of 26. And when I rationalize it, I get the square root of 26 over 26. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So it's going to be 5 over the square root of 26, but I have to rationalize it. Just move that up. 26 will not go into 5. I'm done. Now tangent is opposite over adjacent, so it's just 1/5. Now cosecant is just going to be the reciprocal. It's hypotenuse over opposite, 26 over 1, or you could just say the square root of 26. And secant is kind of like the same thing, except for square root of 26 over 5. And then cotangent was the one that was given to us. It was just 5. You could write 5 over 1, but you don't really need the 1. So if they give you the trig function, it's just like giving you the triangle, because they're giving you two sides. And as you noticed, if you go back, a 5 is the same as 5 over 1. So they did give us two sides, even though there was only one number.